Hello, friends. Welcome to a new episode of Employment News for Mechanical Engineers. In this video series, we are giving informations about government jobs, private jobs, apprenticeship trainings, etc. Before going to job section, please subscribe our YouTube channel Mech Engineering World for getting regular updates. Let us start with government jobs. The first job is Supervisor Technical Operation in India Government Mint Mumbai. India Government Mint Mumbai is one of the 9 units under the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. Objective of this company is designing, manufacturing, printing, security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicially stamped papers, minting of coins, postage stamps, etc. SPMCIL is under the administrative control of Ministry of Finance. Last date of application is 4th October 2020. Salary will be 26,000 to 1 lakh in industrial DA pattern of pay scale plus other allowances. How to apply? Applicants are requested to follow the detailed procedures guidelines indicated in India Government Mint Mumbai website www.igmmumbai.spmcil.com. Applicants can apply online only 5/9/22 4/10/20 and no other mode of application will be accepted. Next job is Assistant Engineer at Central Groundwater Board. This selection is through UPSC and the post is Assistant Engineer and Ministry is Ministry of Jal Shakti, Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Regeneration Project. Organization is Central Groundwater Board. Pay scale will be 47,600 to 1,51,100 plus grade pay 4,800. Interested candidates can log in on UPSC website shown in screen. Next is Engineer Mechanical at National Fertilizers Limited. NFL is a Mini Ratna premier profit making central public sector undertaking engaged in manufacturing and marketing of fertilizers and other agricultural inputs. Salary will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Last date of application will be 25th September 2020. The candidates fulfilling the prescribed eligibility criteria should download and print the prescribed application form per forma available on NFL website shown in figure. The application form are duly filled and signed along with the self-attested copies of documents, certificates should be reached in sealed envelope cover superscribed application for the post of dash post name 2020 at the following address: Chief Manager HR National Fertilizers Limited, Noida. Next is Trainee Engineer Mechanical at NHPC, Faridabad. As all we know, NHPC Limited is a premier Schedule A Mini Ratna company of Government of India with 7,071 megawatt installed capacity. NHPC is involved in construction and operation of hydro, solar and wind power plants across the country. NHPC the biggest hydropower company in India. Pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 E2 grade plus other allowances. Number of vacancies are 21. Last date for submission of application is 28th September. Only candidates who have registered with GATE 2020 with the valid GATE registration number can register online in NHPC website shown in screen. That's all about the government jobs. Next, private jobs. First private job is Trainee Engineer at Castroy Engineering, KSS. Castroy Engineering and Procurement Services, KSS is a technology-driven engineering, procurement and construction EPC company with a worldwide presence with $1.5 billion turnover. Castroy Engineering and Procurement Services mastery position among the best on the planet with regards to conveying development answer for the oil and gas, infrastructure and industrial segments. This group have 50,000 devoted workers and from 17 unique nationalities. There are 240 mechanical engineer vacancies are there. Experience will be fresher. Salary will be 6 to 7 lakh per annum with HRTA insurance and other facility. Last date of application is September 27 Those who are wish to apply, go through the online shown in screen. Next is mechanical engineers at Stain Seal Company India Private Limited. Stain Seal Company India Private Limited has years of experience in sealing systems, mechanical seals, industrial seals, and other precision components. Employment type is full-time permanent. Qualification BTech. 3 to 5 years experience in sales and service is required. Salary as per candidate's ability. Those who are interested, please send your CV to Donna Brugman, HR Manager at hr@stainsteel.com. Next is Mechanical Engineer at Tippett Electric Service LLP. Tippett Electric Service LLP is a limited liability partnership firm and is seeking for a mechanical engineer for PMS services at IOCL operating locations as per terms and conditions of the tender. Company name is Tippett. Function area oil and gas. Function role is project manager. 5 to 10 years experience required. Key skill required is CAD structural engineering. Salary will be 30,000 to 55,000 per month. Last date to apply is October 2nd. Those who are interested, send your CV to Sujit Gautam at sujitray5@gmail.com. That's all about private sector jobs. Before ending today, we would like to inform you about 2 exams that is very useful to you for build your career. First one is about National Power Training Institute NPTI. NPTI invited for postgraduate diploma course for mechanical engineers and electrical engineers. NPTI is a national apex body for training and development in power sector. These courses are stepping stone to the power plant jobs in India. India's almost popular power plant companies are recruiting NPTI students through campus selection. Those who are interested to apply can apply up to 28 September 2020. If you are interested to apply, please go through the website www.npti.gov.in or www.nptinagpur.com. Next one is GATE exam. As all you know about GATE and its importance, nowadays most of the PSUs are recruiting people through GATE only. This year GATE application will start on 11th September and up to 30th September only. So rush your application for the GATE exam. That's all about this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.